Hey there, interior enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fun and trendy DIY project: sticking wallpaper. From transforming a room's vibe to adding a splash of personality, stick wallpaper can revamp your space in no time. Let's get started. Stick wallpaper, also known as peel and stick wallpaper, has become a go-to choice for home decorators. It's a convenient and versatile option that allows you to change the look of a room without the commitment of traditional wallpaper. 1. Preparing the space and materials. Before we begin, ensure the walls are clean, smooth, and dry. Gather your stick wallpaper, a measuring tape, a level, a utility knife or scissors, and a squeegee or smoothing tool for installation. 2. Measuring and cutting wallpaper. Measure the wall height and width, adding a few extra inches to allow for trimming. Cut the wallpaper accordingly, ensuring the patterns align if it's a patterned wallpaper. Pre-cutting multiple strips can ease the installation process. 3. Applying the stick wallpaper. Start by peeling a small section of the backing and align the top of the wallpaper with the ceiling or the starting point you've chosen. Gradually peel the backing while smoothing the wallpaper with a squeegee to remove air bubbles. 4. Aligning and smoothing. Use a level to ensure the wallpaper is straight and aligned correctly. Smooth the wallpaper gently from the center outward to avoid creases or air bubbles. 5. Trim excess wallpaper. Once the wallpaper is applied, use a utility knife or scissors to trim the excess at the ceiling, baseboards, and corners. Take your time to ensure clean, precise cuts. And there you have it, a simple guide to stick wallpaper installation. It's an easy, budget-friendly way to spruce up any space and unleash your creativity. If you found this DIY tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor ideas.